Welcome to another video. Now we are given this radical equation to solve. Okay, so let's see how we can solve for x here. So we are given x, square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x minus 2 equals to 9. Okay, now let's square both sides. Alright, let's send one of the radicals to the other side, then square both sides. So that will make this side x plus 7 equals to 9 minus square root of x minus 2. So from here we can square both sides. Okay, now from here this will cancel. That will be x plus 7. So 9 minus this one is all squared. So I'll square the first term. 9 squared is 81. 2 times 9, 18 times this, that will be minus 18 with x minus 2. And I'll square the last term. That will be plus x minus 2 all squared. Alright. So my next step will be x plus 7 equals to 81 minus 18 x minus 2 plus x minus 2. Okay, so we can cancel out the x here, and let's bring this one to the left. So we have 18 with x minus 2 equals to, then we have 81 minus 2 minus 7. So that will be 18 minus 2. So this one will be 79. So 72. Now from here we can divide both sides by 18. So this one will cancel. I will leave it. X minus 2. 18 here 4. 18 here 1. 18 here 4. So we have 4. Now when we have radical, because that we can square both sides in order to get rid. So this one will cancel. I'll leave it. X minus 2 equals to 4 squared is 16. Okay, we can add 2 to both sides of the equation. That will be x minus 2 plus 2 equals to 16 plus 2. So this one will go. X equals to 18. Okay, let's verify if our answer is true. So we have square root of, let's check the question, x plus 7, x plus 7, x minus 2 equals to 9. So let's confirm it here. So when x is 18, so we have 18 plus 7. That will be 25. So this side is 5. The same 18 minus 2 will be 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9.